Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ryan coming with another tutorial. Today we're going to be going over the material modifier, and that combined with the multi-sub object. We're going to create a material that is comprised of multiple materials, and I'm going to show you how to kind of swap those out pretty easily. So let's get started. Let's start with the box here, and we're going to create a multi-sub object. So let's go to this an empty slot. Let's go up to standard, hit multi-sub object, and then it's going to create by default it's going to create like 10 materials here. We're just going to kind of do 3 for now, so we can go up to this set number right here and hit 3 just to kind of illustrate how this works. So I created just a red, blue, and green material, and we're just going to drag these into these slots right here. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, red, green, blue. Let's apply it to this box. When we do that, so we notice that each face has a different ID set to it. So we need all these faces to be the same ID number. So we're going to have to put a edit poly on top of here. Let's grab our polygons, select all, and go down to this polygon material ID. We'll set this to 1. Okay. Now, as you can see, everything is now it's red, and this corresponds to this red material. Now, how we switch these out? We're going to go up to this modifier list and put a material on here. Okay, and as you see here, we have this slider, and we can go up and down. So 1, 2, 3, it's switching to correlate to these materials, and we also have the ability to set keys on this. So we're at frame, rather material 1 here. Let's set a key on that. Just get rid of that first one. Go to frame 2. We'll set it to 2, and we'll go to frame 3 and set it to 3. So as you can see now, all we have to do is scroll, and we can change the materials. So you get the idea. So let's just say you have like a coffee mug with 5 different finishes on it. You can easily just render that out by animating the material modifier. Now let me show you something I've set up. I have a real world situation here. I have this chair that I modeled, and the client wanted 3 views of the chair, and we want to switch out materials. As you can see here, I have 5 different materials: a green, kind of a blue leather, passion fruit, kind of pink fabric, linen, and charcoal. So we're going to go cycle through our camera views, and then we're going to swap the color, same camera views, and yeah, that's kind of how you set these up. And now this is kind of set up for rendering, so I don't have to send this 3 different times, 4 different times, however many changes you want. I can just kind of run this as an animation sequence, and then just spit out all my frames. Yeah, so this is set up as for rendering. You can also set this up for rendering, animation purposes. This is a little like a chair animation I did a few years ago that we utilize this technique in a lot. So as you can see, the chairs pop in, and then all the shells change different colors. So and yeah, it's pretty easy to kind of switch out those shells like that. So it's a good little technique, good little tool. Try it out. Let me know how it goes if you have any issues. And again, thanks for stopping by and watching, guys. See you next time.